What happens when there is no central server? So those companies who do not have any central server are in workgroup. Now let's try to understand what is workgroup. So for example, there is a company having 100 computers. And in this company, we want to block pen drive. Then what we need to do, if the company is in workgroup, we have to go to each and every computer and then we have to block the pen drive. We have to set up policies to block the pen drive, and that is individual, meaning we have to go to PC1, do the setting, go to PC2, do the setting, go to PC3, do the setting, go to PC4, do the setting. So we would be having very good physical health if we join a company which is in workgroup because we have to go to each and every computer and do that setting. So management is individual. There is no central server, there is no central control in workgroup. It is like 5 friends and they are their own boss. They want to go to some you can say hiking place, but everyone is saying what they want. Everyone is saying the name of the place where they want to go. So they are their own boss. So here every computer is its own boss. You want to block pen drive, you have to go to that computer. Then if you want this particular user 1 to log in this computer, so every computer has its own local database. There is no central database. If I want this user 1 to log in into PC1, this user 1 should be present in the PC1's local database. Then only the user 1 can log in. Now, can user 1 log in PC2? No. By default, it cannot. If the user 1 is present here, user 1 is created here in the local database of PC2, then user 1 can log in. Meaning, if I want this user to log in all the 100 computers, I have to go to each and every computer, open up the local database and create the user 1. That means my health will improve. But the point is, my dear friend, just imagine that going to each and every computer is a very big, challenging task. Plus, big companies don't have 100 computers. They have thousands of computers. And the employee says, I want to log in meeting room computer, boardroom computer, training room computers, first floor computer, second floor computer. I want to log in so many computers. So workgroup is decentralized, management is individual. And whenever the user log in, every computer refers its own local database. So if I want this user to log in all the 100 computers, I have to create this user in the local database of all the 100 computers. This is in the practical way, it is not possible. So for big environment, for big companies, workgroup is not there. Very small company, 10 computers, 20 computers. For them, workgroup is fine. Our home environment, for that, workgroup is fine. So what is the best for company environment? Domain we have discussed in the previous interview question series, right? Domain environment, you get central database, you get centralized control using the domain environment. Now, so my dear friends, coming to our interview question, what is workgroup? A workgroup is a collection of computers in a small network. Each computer is managed individually, no central control. It is decentralized network, no central server. Used in home are very small office environment. Okay, so if someone asks you what is workgroup in interview, you have to answer this. Plus one more thing, if in the company workgroup is there, health will be good, but technical knowledge will be zero. Okay. So what is best? A domain environment is best. Now in the upcoming next video, you'll be learning about the difference between workgroup and domain. And if you are interested in live hands-on practical training, then I would recommend you that you go to our website, that is attariclasses.in/batch. Okay, we have multiple courses and you can see the batch schedule of our Windows Server hybrid course. So bye.